stop sitting on filth. Before you go outside, clean your patio cushions. When it comes to your backyard, you can just forget about those patio cushions. They're just like anything else around your house. They should be cleaned up. You should be doing this before the season starts and before you pack it away for the colder months. Cleaning patio cushions could not be simpler, and you probably have everything you need right at home. All you need is a garden hose, some soap and water, and a little elbow grease, honestly. I like to do this somewhere where you have plenty of space and it's easy to wash them. Make sure the space has full sunlight. That'll help things dry quicker. I like to do this early in the day so you have plenty of warmth and sunlight to dry out those cushions. The sun's also a great cleaner, helps eliminate odors and bacteria. The key here is quick clean and quick drying. You don't want water sitting in the fabric or in the cushions. Make sure that space is clean, so I like to brush it off or hose it down initially to get all that excess dirt out of the way. Sometimes projects start with cleaning before you clean. I like to do this on a concrete deck or somewhere that's easily washable. Usually outdoor cushions are made to withstand sunlight, water, rain, all the elements, so it's okay to wash them off and rinse them off as they are. Some cushions may have a zipper and a removable cover, and some are actually meant to just be cleaned with the filling inside. That's why it's a good idea to also double check that care tag. Just checking the tag. If your covers are removable, go ahead and just wash those in your laundry machine. But most outdoor cushions are made to just be washed and rinsed outdoors. My cushions have a loose filling, so I'm gonna leave it inside while I clean the outside. If you're in doubt, I just do a quick Google search looking up the type of material and how it's recommended to clean. For most of these outdoor cushions, all you need is a bucket of water and some mild soap. I like to use just some regular old Dawn dish soap. That should be pretty universal across many fabrics and materials. Go ahead and dust off those cushions to remove any excess dirt or dust that's on the exterior. You don't want to turn that into mud or more filth. And simply just wipe them with a rag. You can even use a gentle brush to help you scrub out stains. If you can start with some warm water, that's great. That'll just give you some extra cleaning action. Now just give them a good wipe down with your soapy water. You can even use a soft bristle brush for some extra scrubbing action. So give those cushions a good scrub down on all sides with your soap and water. Let this sit about 15 minutes. That soap will help break down dirt and grimes so you can just wash it away. And any spots that are remaining, you can go ahead and give them a little bit more elbow grease, a little bit more TLC, and give them an extra scrub. If you have mold or mildew, try some hydrogen peroxide. I like the spray version. You can just spray it on the spot, let it sit a few minutes, and then you can rinse it off. You do want to be careful with this stuff in the sun because it will bleach. You can also use just regular white distilled vinegar in a water bottle, and I dilute it with a little bit of distilled water. Spray that on, let it sit a few minutes, and then you can scrub it clean. One quick caveat, if you are cleaning with different solutions, go ahead and rinse one off before you apply the next. It's really not recommended to mix different cleaners together. I like to spray them from top to bottom so you can thoroughly rinse out all that dish soap. Try to keep those cushions upright so all the water drains off of them. Now I like to move the cushions around, turn them around every 15 to 20 minutes. This just helps ensure even drying and that they're not sitting in water for too long. And make sure those cushions are completely dry before you return them back to the furniture. And this can be an easy 30-minute project. Just wipe them, rinse them, and let them chill in the sun.